Hi friends, warm welcome to all. In today's quick learning, we will go through VLOOKUP with match function. So match is similar to your VLOOKUP. It has the lookup value. It will go search with for the lookup array and it will give you the match type as exact match or appropriate match. So let me show you how match function work. Here you have set of data. We will be working on this two sheet VM and VM final. VM sheet has raw data having product ID, product and year and sales as per the year. And from this data, we need to find the sales only for certain years, not for the entire year for as per the product ID. So let me show you what is match function and how it will be going to work. It will be working. So equal to match in bracket. If we want to find the position for this uh, 2015 from this heading, okay. So lookup value is 2015 which we had selected, comma, and lookup array will be the heading. This heading will be the lookup array, comma, you need the exact match. It will ask you need the exact match or appropriate match. So we need the exact match, which will be 0 and enter. Let's do it once again. Equal to match in bracket, lookup value 2015, comma, lookup array will be the heading. So selected, comma, it will ask you the less than, exact match or greater than. So exact match, tab, or you can do down arrow and tab, or you can type 0 and enter or bracket close. So this 2015 falls under position number 3. Why? Because 1, product ID is 1, 2, and this one is 3. Same way if we change, instead of 2015, I want data for 2024, okay, which will be G4. So instead of 2024, which falls under G4. So I will be adding here G4 and check. So G4 falls under position number 12. How come? 1, 2. If you calculate this, this falls under 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 position is for 2024. So match function does this. Okay. Now coming to VLOOKUP. Uh, if I want the sale value for 2025 for BB1 product, what you will be doing equal to VLOOKUP in bracket, select the product ID. You are selecting this product ID, looking this value from this database. So select that data, Control Shift down arrow and Control Shift right arrow. Right arrow and down arrow selected. Entire range got selected. Let me fix this range so that it will not change but when we drag the formula. So this range is fixed using function and dollar sign. Okay, range is fixed and we want the value of column number 3. Why column number 3? 2025 year falls under column 3 and the exact match 0. So value will be, sales value is 10924, which is 10924. Now if we drag this formula, what happened? Do we get the exact amount for 2017 and rest? Let's see. No. And if I drag this formula downward? No. Let's see. We are getting here 8890. This one is correct. Even this one is correct. So it's working only for 2015, but not for 17, 18, 19, like 2022 and all rest of the years. Okay. Now to work with all, you will be clubbing VLOOKUP formula with match. Okay. Instead of this reference column number, we will be deleting this part. I'm deleting it. Okay. Instead of that column number, column reference, we will be going with match. So we are matching what? Number of year. Number of year is 2015 from, okay, 2015 from this Aura sheet, okay, this one. Select this entire heading and let's make this heading as fixed by using function and v dollar sign F4. You need the exact match. So comma, It will ask you the exact match will be 0, tap and close the bracket. Enter. So this formula got like this. And now if I drag this formula, what happened? Still we are not getting the exact result. Okay. Why we are not getting exact result? Because the reference keeps on changing. Here my number of year, like year is where C4. Now year is there under C4 and product ID is there under A5. So here you can see product ID A5. If I drag here, product ID changed to B5, which is incorrect. Here C5 and so on. So I want to fix this column value as fixed. A5 should be fixed everywhere. A column value, why we are calling it as column? Because A5, as you know, A, B, C, D, these are the column, like vertical one, okay? And the horizontal one, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the rows. So from A5 to fix the column, you will be adding dollar sign before A, okay? I'm adding dollar sign before A. It will fix the A5 value. Now, if I drag this, we will be getting the value. Let's see for 2017 what we are getting. 2017 76618, 2019 26 62 26262, 26262, and here 2025 8115, 2025 8115. So it's working for this columns. Now let's check for the row. For row still not working. Why? Because for row we need to fix certain kind of value. Like here you can see value is what? This one A6, which is correct. A7, this one is correct. But what keeps on changing? Instead of C4, it should be C4 everywhere. This should find sales value for 2015 for C4. But here if you check, C4 changes to C5. It should be fixed. So to fix this C4, this reference value, to fix this row, you will be adding dollar sign before 4 and enter. Now if I drag this, let's drag this formula to downside. We will be getting the entire sales amount for that many year. Okay. Now we will be dragging this formula toward entire data which we have. Let's see. And okay. Let's see. This one is not fixed. For that reason, we are getting error. Let me fix this value. Here you can see C4, but here it's D4. Changes. So I'm just dragging this formula here once again. Okay. And now drag this formula. We are getting the entire sales amount. Now randomly if we search any number, copy, find 27329, 27329, which is for dry fruits and nuts, BB09, and number of year 2019. 2019 BB09 dry fruits and nuts. Let's go for any other random number. Okay, fine. We will be finding this data in raw data. Okay, here 62319 2024, product ID BB04 for dal and pulses. Dal pulses BB04 62319 2024. So in this way we can club, VLOOKUP and match and find the random sales data for random years. You can use it for your database as required. Thank you for watching.